So this is tip application. So you need to choose, there's different numbers, you need to choose the tip that fits your nail correctly right from side wall to side wall. So you would fit it to one side and just check that it fits exactly round to the other side. If you're unsure whether a tip fits, if you think it's too small, always go for a larger tip. And then what you would do is you would get your 180 grit file and you would file parallel on each side to make sure that the tip exactly fits. So there's a little number, this is number 5, and I'm going to apply the tip to the nail. Just going to get my brush on adhesive. So when I apply my tip, I need to make sure it stays within the curve of the nail. So the natural curve of the nail curves nice and naturally, slightly downwards. So you don't want it to go up and you don't want it to point too far down. So you want it to be a nice and natural curve. Also, when you're applying the tip, you need to make sure you hold it quite firmly. Don't hold it down the bottom. You need to hold it quite firmly near the top to give you, to make sure you're placing it in the proper placement. When you're applying your adhesive, make sure you fully coat it right from one side right to the other side to make sure it adheres properly. So I'm going to over exaggerate where I want to place my tip, place it down nice and straight and then press. You can see it looks a full colour where it looked white beforehand. Now it looks slightly darker, and that darker colour is telling me that it's adhered properly to the nail. And you can pinch on the sides to make sure the sides are adhered properly. Some people have really high C curves. My nail's quite flat, but just hold it down at the side to make sure it adheres properly. So that's how you apply a tip.